Hello, in the video today what we're going to do is look at a way to enter the standard error into our calculator when we are calculating the confidence interval on a population proportion. So our challenge is to get something that looks like this into our TI84, and what I'm about to cover does not work inside the TI83. So here's the general formula, and I've taken the p-hat from a scenario that you may recognize from class. And I need to do the p-hat, and this is 1 minus the p-hat, and this is n. So I'm going to show you a way to put this into your calculator that looks exactly like this. This is not the only way to do it. This is the way that lets you see it exactly like this. Okay, so first we have to go to our TI84, and we have to make sure the math print is turned on. So mode, come down, and we see that math print is turned on and blinking. So the next thing we need to do, and by the way you only need to do that once, the next thing we do is to make this radical, or this square root, under which we're going to build these three different ratios: ratio 1, ratio 2, and then ratio 3. So the second and the radical sign. Okay, now let's go put a ratio in there. So alpha y equals, enter. There's our first ratio, but we need two ratios on top. So we need to get these two ratios on top up in the numerator. So I'm going to build another one right away, alpha, and then the y equals, and enter. So there is the first of two ratios in my numerator, and this one was 20 over 345. So 20 over 345, and then I come out to the side and I multiply it by another ratio, alpha y equals, enter. And you remember that that is 325 over 345. So 325 over 345, and then we need to fill in the 345 down here to make it look like this. And so I come down and 345, and so we can proceed with full confidence that what we have here is exactly what we need to get this answer. So when I hit the enter button over there, I'm going to get exactly this answer with enter. So there you go. That way is slower for some and quicker for others, and if it works for you, please use it.